Hi. In simpliRP ERP, you can easily link a plain GRN to a supplier purchase order. We have earlier prepared a plain GRN. We will now link this GRN to supplier purchase order. Go to Reports, GRN Reports, Party-Ways Purchases. Select the date range. Against the GRN you want to link, click on the item. In the pop-up, all the supplier purchase orders will be shown. Select the relevant purchase order and select the corresponding item. Then click Update. That's it. When you go to the GRN and refresh, you can see the PO has been linked. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your purchase department. Thank you.